Add missing dates to pandas data frame. My data can have multiple events on a given date or no events on a date. I take these events, get a count by date and plot them. However, when I plot them, my two series don't always match. In the above code it becomes a range of say 30 dates. The 9th of January 2013 to the 30th of September 2013. However, S may only have 25 or 26 days because no events happened for a given date. I then get an assertion error as the sizes don't match when I try to plot. What's the proper way to tackle this? Do I want to remove dates with no values from id, or, which I'd rather do, is add to the series the missing date with a count of 0. I'd rather have a full graph of 30 days with 0 values. If this approach is right, any suggestions on how to get started? Do I need some sort of dynamic reindex function? Here's a snippet of df.groupb, simple date, size, notice no entries for 04 and 05.
You could use series.reindex. Yields.
A quicker workaround is to use .asfreak. This doesn't require creation of a new index to call within .reindex.
An alternative approach is resample, which can handle duplicate dates in addition to missing dates. For example, resample is a deferred operation like groupb, so you need to follow it with another operation. In this case mean works well, but you can also use many other pandas methods like max, sum, etc. Here is the original data, but with an extra entry for September 3, 2013. And here are the results. I left the missing dates as nans to make it clear how this works, but you can add fillna 0 to replace nans with zeros as requested by the op, or alternatively use something like interpolate to fill with non-zero values based on the neighboring rows.
One issue is that reindex will fail if there are duplicate values. Say we're working with timestamp data, which we want to index by date. Yields. Due to the duplicate November 16, 2016 date, an attempt to reindex fails with by this it means the index has duplicates, not that it is itself a dup. Instead, we can use .log to look up entries for all dates in range. Yields. Fillna can be used on the column series to fill blanks if needed.
to see